Hello and welcome to another tutorial in the HTML5 series. In this tutorial, let's talk about the HTML5 support for multimedia. Audios, videos, movies, and animations all come under multimedia. So let's take a look at how to add an audio player and a video player to an HTML website. Let's start with the audio player. For that, I'll be starting with an audio element. Audio elements take an attribute called as controls. So let's also add another important element which goes under the audio element, that is source. Source takes in two attributes. One is src, which is the path to the audio file, and also type, which signifies what type of audio file it is. So the src here, we are going to be adding the song.mp3 that I have already added to the project. So this is the path for my audio file, and the type of the audio file will be audio slash mpeg. This is the format of the of my audio file. So let's save this, go back to the browser and hit refresh. Now we can see an audio file with the play button and the time duration of the audio and the volume controls and the playback speed. Let's play this audio. Look for the fairness. All right, so it seems to work. Now let's go back to our Visual Studio Code and see how to add a video element. So video element is very similar to the audio element. It also accepts controls attribute, and the tag or the element is video. Within this, it also accepts a source tag with src and type. So as you can see, the only difference here is the name of the element. Rest of the attributes, rest of the attributes and type are very similar. The source here accepts a movie because this is a video. I'm going to add video slash mp4. All right, and let's also put them in under different sections so that they appear one below another. Also add h3 headings above these elements. Let's just call it an element here. Okay, so this looks good. Now let's also style this video to be of 800 and height of 800 pixels. Let's add maybe 1280. So these are pixels. Now let me save this, go back to the browser and then hit refresh. Now we can see that we also have a video element. All right, so let's play the video here. Hello and welcome to another tutorial in the HTML. This seems to work as well. So this is how we add audios and videos to an existing web page. So if you were to build a website where we need to add videos or audios to it, this is how we do it using HTML audio and video, HTML5 audio and video tags. There are also other ways like iframes to embed YouTube videos, but that's for another topic. So we can discuss that as a separate video. But this is how we will be adding the multimedia element to the existing web page. So I'll be talking about few formatting elements in the next tutorial.